In this video, you'll learn how to make calls and answer phone calls on your Google Pixel 9. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively manage your calling needs using your device. Start by unlocking your Google Pixel 9. Locate the phone app icon on your home screen and tap on it. This application is essential for making and receiving calls. Before proceeding, ensure that your SIM card is active and that you have a strong network signal. If necessary, check your contacts list to prepare for making calls. To make a call, you can either tap on the dial pad or the contacts tab within the phone app. If you choose to enter a number manually, simply type in the desired phone number. Alternatively, you can select a saved contact from your list. Once you have the number ready, press the call button to initiate the dialing process. Hold your phone close to your ear for a private conversation, or switch to speaker mode if you prefer hands-free calling. It is important to have a stable network connection to ensure clear audio during the call. When you receive an incoming call, a notification will appear on your screen. You can either swipe or tap the answer button to accept the call. If you decide you cannot take the call, you have the option to decline or silence it. During the call, you can use features such as mute or speaker mode as needed. Once you are finished with the conversation, tap the disconnect button to end the call. This simple action will complete the call process. It is advisable to familiarize yourself with the layout of the phone app and its features. Knowing where to find the dial pad, contacts, and call options can enhance your calling experience. Additionally, be mindful of your network conditions, as poor connectivity can affect call quality. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.